Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani. Today is weekly recap day. Let's see what did we learn this week. We learned how to say Yazmaq, to write, record, compose. We learned how to say Təcrübə to show our experience, experimenting, practicing, and testing skills. We learned what does school and school building means. Məktəb, we learned that also all the 11 years, we have 11 years, yes, for elementary, middle school, and high school. It happens in the same school building for us. We learned Müəllim for teacher, instructor, tutor. We also learned what can mean know-it-all, smart aleck, smarty pants, Çoxbilmiş. And of course, we learned how to say to read, to study, or to sing. And finally, we learned how to call things when we need to ask Sual, question, query. Yes, of course, that joke uses. Let's start. She's super smart, but sometimes too much Çoxbilmiş. This was my only sual in the meeting. They're looking for someone with 10 years of Tecrübə for an entry-level data analyst job, or for any job for that matter. I'm done with Məktəb, but studying is never done with me. I opened a book, did some Oxumaq, and called it productivity. Awesome. Now quiz time. Which word also means to sing? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about typing any letters that you don't have in your keyboard like sh, u, ch, etc. Don't worry. Make sure to come back tomorrow for new weeks, new words. Every single day. That means 7 words are expected new week. Because remember, consistency is fluency. All right? Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new set of words every single day. Until then, check master.azerbaijan.com for more. I promise there's so many blogs that will help you learn even more than here. Cheers.